Hello. Well, we've seen the first named storm of the season, Storm Ashley, which has now cleared away towards the east, and we're in for a window of slightly quieter weather over the next few days. Still some heavy showers lingering around on Monday. This was the scene in Argyll and Bute, so we had some thunderstorms across parts of Scotland. Rain lingered for a time in the southeast as well. But over the next few days, what we're going to see is the wind and the rain easing away. By the middle of the week, the chance of mist and fog, and temperatures mostly on the mild side for the time of year. The wind's largely going to be coming in from the south or southwest over the next few days. Now, we've still got a weak front on Tuesday that's going to be pushing its way gradually eastwards, and then it's higher pressure that builds in behind that, and that means we're going to see this line of showers at first, northern England into Wales as well. They'll push further southwards and eastward, fizzling out as that higher pressure builds. One or two showers still across the northwest of the UK, but certainly not as many on Tuesday as we had on Monday. It's still going to be quite windy, especially up towards the Northern Isles, but lighter winds further south and temperatures between about 12 to 17. Now, Tuesday night, and we're likely to see some fairly extensive mist and fog forming across parts of England and Wales, particularly for central and southern areas. Some of that could be quite dense first thing Wednesday morning. It's not going to be a particularly cold night, another area of cloud moving in from the northwest. So with the cloud and the fog, temperatures holding up about 6 to 8 degrees. But that fog could cause a little bit of disruption on the roads, I think, for parts of central and southern England and Wales during Wednesday morning. Should clear away eventually, and then we're looking at a largely dry day. Breeze coming in from the south or southwest, some sunshine developing, and highs between 14 to 17, could see 18 degrees towards East Anglia in the southeast. And then heading through the middle of the week, you'll notice this front in the Atlantic trying to push its way in from the west, but high pressure across the near continent is going to win out, I think. That means a largely dry, settled story continuing into Thursday. You can see the rain trying to move into Northern Ireland and western Scotland later in the day. Further east is where you're going to be keeping some brighter skies for longer. Again, there could be some morning mist and fog slowly clearing away. 13 to 17, so we're still a little above average for this time of year. But then it's going to be all change as we move through Thursday night into Friday, and you can see this hook developing here. So it looks like we see a wave on that front developing an area of low pressure that will start to push some showers further east across the UK on Friday. Could be some blustery winds in and around that area of low pressure as well. So a bit more of an unsettled picture as we look towards the end of the week. Still reasonably mild, around 12 to 16, but those temperatures just coming down a notch compared to earlier in the week. This area of low pressure probably still with us as we head on into Saturday, just gradually easing away towards the east. But we're still likely to see some showery rain around on Saturday. Probably most of the showers pushing in for Scotland, Northern Ireland too. Further south and east, you may well see some drier weather developing. 12 to 15 degrees our top temperature. And then as we look further ahead, well, we've still got a bit of a lingering frontal system during the second half of the weekend, so particularly into Sunday, possibly into Monday as well. But then let's take a look at this ridge of high pressure that looks like it'll build in from the north, probably moving its way gradually further southwards and eastwards across the UK on into the middle of next week. So that should squeeze away most of the showers. So towards the weekend into Monday as well, still a few showers around, but then further ahead through next week, as that higher pressure builds, most of the showers ease away, something a little bit quieter and drier in the forecast for the middle part of next week. Bye for now.